In this video, let us see how to create a quiz which is having multiple choice questions and descriptive questions and how to arrange them in different pages. Okay, here we are on the home page of the e-learning. I'm going to my section, turn editing on. At the bottom, I already have a topic. I will add a new quiz. Mid-exam model quiz. I'm keeping the most of the settings as it is. I'm going to layout and change the layout from every question to all questions on one page. This means that all the questions will appear in one shot in one page itself. If you want, you can add restrictions and give a password to your quiz by clicking on this pencil. Then save and return to the course. I have my quiz here. I'm clicking turn editing off. Now let us add questions to the quiz. Click on the quiz, click on edit quiz. This will appear only one time. After that, if you want to add any new question or remove, you have to click this settings gear, edit quiz. Now click on add. From question bank, I have a question bank here already, mid-exam questions. I have 13 questions in it. Out of that, 10 are multiple choice and 3 are descriptive. Now what happened? It got mixed up. No problem. You can catch on this plus symbol and drag them down. So now all the 10 multiple choice questions are on the top and the last 3 will be descriptive questions. Now how to categorize them? You have a pencil here, click on that. This is part A, MCQ questions. If you want, you can write 1 equal to 10 marks. Press enter. It got accepted. Now between 10 and 11, you have to click on this separator, add a page break. Click on this add a new section heading. So now click on this pencil. I will have part B. I have 3 questions here, 5 marks each, equal to 15 marks. Now I have to adjust the marks here. This is 5 mark question. Click on this 5, then press enter. Make sure that you are pressing enter after the entry. Okay, the total mark will come here, 25. If you keep this as 10 mark, what happens is after the exam, the result will be converted to 10 marks. If you don't want that, keep it 25 so that you will get the mark in real mark 25 itself. Now you have a shuffle here. If you click this, only this 10 questions in the multiple choice section will be shuffled and this will be as it is. If you want the descriptive question also to be shuffled, you can take this, but it's advisable not to do that. Descriptive question as it is, and we are shuffling only the multiple choice questions. Click on save. Now go to the model quiz. Let's see the preview. So the 10 multiple choice questions you can see are on one page. The student have to click the next page to go to the descriptive questions. So descriptive questions, there are 2 ways. One is you can keep the question and only the option to file upload, or the question and there is some space for adding the text only, or there is an option you have a text entry as well as the file upload entry. So how is it possible? We'll go to the question bank. Here I have the categories. I will go to the mid-exam questions. I already have a descriptive questions here. I will go to the edit section. You have to come to this option. In the response format, if it is kept no online text, you will not get that text entry box. if you keep no entry on no online text. Okay. Now allow attachments is unlimited. At least one attachment is compulsory. That's what this means. Then this star means all type of files are accepted, like it is PDF or JPG or whatever. Click Save Changes. If you want the text box, you have to click plain text. So there is a box so that the student can enter the answer there. That's all.